Hey Mary, how's it going? My name is Corey Schneider and I'm search engine optimization expert. And I was looking for some lawyers and law firms in the Spokane area and I stumbled across your website here. And I just wanted to shoot you a quick video and give you a couple quick tips here of how to optimize your site a little bit better and position it in areas online where more people are looking for your services and would book business with you, and which would give you more clients and more money in your pocket. So let me jump right into it and I'll tell you how we're going to do this. Okay, so everything starts with Google. People are searching into Google to fix a problem, to look for a service, and they are trying to get something out of it. Essentially, they are looking for a solution. It is absolutely crucial to position your site, your company, where people are searching for lawyers. Okay, so essentially it has to do with Spokane because you're in Spokane. So let's get right to it and type in here what your ideal client would be typing in to Google. It'd be something like this: Spokane lawyer, right? Makes sense. That's exactly what they're looking for, and that's what they want. We live in the 21st century, so they're going to click on one of these top 5 guys, right? Okay? Or they're going to come here to the organic and click on one of these. They're never going to go to the second page or third page. 75% of people do not go past the first page. So we want to get you here. So today I'm going to give you a couple tips, simple steps of how you can get right here. Okay? And then if you want me to shoot you another video, this is the organic listing. You can also get a spot here. So your competition has one spot here and one spot here. But today we're going to talk about this, okay? Let's first locate where you're at, okay? I believe you're on the second page. Okay, where are you? Yep, there you are, at the bottom of the second page. So you have this nice website, right? And right now, you are essentially, look at your site as a nice billboard you have paid money for. But right now, you're on the second page where no one goes to. So your billboard is nowhere near the highway where all the eyeballs and traffic is. You're 2 miles out in the woods or the boonies. So this big highway coming into Spokane, right, where you want your nice billboard to be right on the side of the highway, you're not there. You're 2 miles up in the woods. And I mean, I'll just ask you right here now, Mary, like, how often do you think someone's going to be driving 2 miles up into the woods and will see your billboard? The answer is not very often, and that's kind of what's happening with your site right here. When there's hundreds of people searching for this term and variations of this term a month, they want answers quickly and they want answers now, and so they're going with these guys, which is your competitors. So right now, your competitors are scooping up all the money and all the clients relative to these terms. So that's why we want to get you here, okay? Let's get right into it, okay? So, to get in those positions, you have to register your business with Google, which you have already done. So you're one step ahead of some other people. So you have this teardrop here, and you have the address, phone number, and the name of your business, just like those other ones in the 7-pack. That 7-pack is called the local listings, okay? So your address right here, what's key and you can't mess up on the next steps I'm telling you is see how everything's spelled out here? South Street. That's how you set it up here with Google and register your business as, so it has to stay the same. It has to stay consistent. Otherwise, this won't work. Google's an algorithm and they reward businesses that are consistent. And one of their factors is the address can't change. You can't abbreviate street. You can't abbreviate south now that you're registered with Google in this way. Okay, with that said, that is the first step. You've already done the first step, and that's registering your business with Google. The next step is Yahoo. You've done that already too, so you're off to a great start. The third one is Being Local. You want to go to that. It's beingplaces.com. If you're already on here, don't do it again. Google also doesn't like duplicates, duplicate listings on the same places. Okay, so, but if you haven't registered your business with Bing, you can do some more research on that too if you have or if you haven't, but you should know because it's your business. If you haven't, then you want to do this. You click Get Started, you create a little profile. You fill out some pictures, you write a description, you then have a link going back to your website, the name of your business, your address, and your phone number, and then you're done. It's that easy, okay? So that's the first group of steps, okay? And the reason why I'm telling you this is because Google likes your business. They like to see your name, address, phone number, and link to your website plastered all over the internet, the World Wide Web, because they read everything. And when you start doing that, you become the more authoritative law firm in Spokane in Google's eyes, and they're going to reward you for this. Look at every place your name, address, and phone number is at and your link to your website as a vote. The more votes you have, the more Google is going to reward you, and the better you are off in the long run, because you're going to drift up into those money positions. Okay, with that said, the second step that I'm going to tell you here involves a tool called whitespark.ca. Okay, and what this tool does is it pulls up multiple and many local citation places, which is local websites and national websites, as well as directories where you can list your business. Just like I showed you in Google, Yahoo, and Bing, you can list your business again with a little profile for free, okay? And it pulls up websites around your niche, okay, which is important in Google's eyes. So you want to click here, Local Citation Finder, okay? And then you're going to click Try It for Free. I'm going to log in because I have an account. What you're going to do is going to bring you to the next page here, okay? You're going to enter your location. You're going to enter your key phrase, which what people is typing in is Spokane lawyer, or lawyer Spokane, or Spokane attorney, okay? You're going to select it here, which is going to be Spokane lawyer, and then you're going to hit search. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it, and that takes about 30 seconds, so I wanted to speed up the process. So let's go to the search results here really quick, okay? So we're right here, Spokane lawyer. Different websites and directories you can list your business on, 468, and you can list these for free. This is good. So you click here once once it loads for you. And here's your competition. You probably recognize these people. They're the ones in that top 7 location with their name, address, and phone number right there. And the benefits of being in this position, I didn't mention to you before, is when people are searching on their cell phones these days, which is 60% of the search, they can immediately sync this address into their maps with one click, and they're coming right to your law firm. They can immediately, with one click, sync your phone number, and it's immediately calling you. People want answers right away in this day and age. It's the 21st century. Like, we live in a fast-paced world. So if they don't get their answer right away, they're going to bounce to something else. We're super ADD like that. So we want to get you here, and that's the benefits of getting there as well too. So back over here, your competition's right here. I'm going to show you, with the steps I'm showing you right now, is you're going to swoop in on one of these spots. You're going to get more phone calls. You're going to be bringing in more clients. So you see over here, citation sources. This client is at 182. You can even view theirs, where they're exactly at. This one, 157. So the name of the game is you go and list your business in more areas than them. You go and put your business in 200 plus areas all across the web, and then Google will reward you. Quick tip and warning, you don't want to have duplicate listings on the same website. So if you already have a Yellow Pages free listing, you don't want to list that again, because Google will see you have 2 of them and they will ding you for this, okay? So make sure you take note on that. So make sure you know where you're all across the web. Once you do, you could figure out which one's on here on Whitespark you're not on. Then you go in and you submit your business. You create a little profile and you link back to your website. Google will reward you for this. And with that reward comes being here. Okay, and you already know what that's going to create for you. So that's my tips for today. They're very valuable. If you want me to shoot you another video, see your competition has a slot here and a slot here. You want to take up as many as you can on the first page, because it increases your odds of people doing business with you. If you want me to shoot you another video and showing you how to get in these spots as well, feel free to let me know. With that said, that's all I got for you right now, and this is what I do for a living. I've done it for years, and I know how to get results. So if this is overwhelming to you, or not really in your realm, or you don't have time, try and get your secretary to do it. But if you're not comfortable with them doing it as well and you don't want to mess up, I'd be more than happy to help. I first would like to see if you qualify to work with me. So there'll be a tab below, right below this video, and it says discovery form. You click on the tab, and there's a couple questions and things you can fill out where I can get to know you a little bit more in your business and kind of your goals. And if your goals align with mine, then we could probably work something out, and I'm more than happy to help you. But I first would like to see if you qualify and if our goals align. If not, if you want to run with this on your own, like I've already said, I'm glad this video was informational and it helps you out. Like I said, I'm from this area, so I like helping business owners. I like empowering them to advance their business, to get more clients coming in, because I know I've been a business owner for a long time, and I like it when businesses can provide value to the local area. And I just saw, I stumbled across yours and wanted to help out. So if you want to run with it, great. If not, you want my help, let me know and we can talk. Have a great day and we'll talk soon. Bye.